Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by downloading the font files you licensed or purchased from a trusted source. Accept the license and confirm it allows desktop use and cloud collaboration. Install TTF or OT files to your operating system using the normal installer. On Windows, right-click and choose Install for all users when applicable. On Mac OS, double-click the font and press Install, Font in Fontbook. Keep each font file under 20 MB to avoid performance issues and delays. Restart Figma Desktop to ensure the newly installed fonts load correctly. Open Figma Desktop or the browser with Figma Font Helper running. If using browser, install and run Figma Font Helper to access local fonts. Select any text layer and choose your custom font from the font dropdown. Use weight, size, letter spacing, and line height to refine typography. Create styles by clicking the 4 dots and selecting Create Text Style for reuse. Share files. Teammates with installed fonts or font helper will see correct typography. When sharing with external contractors, convert text to outlines for guaranteed fidelity. If a font shows as a fallback, confirm the font is installed on your computer. Restart Figma and clear browser cache when using the web app to refresh fonts. Check licensing limits before embedding fonts in exported PDFs or assets. Export PNGs or SVGs to preserve appearance, or export PDF with fonts outlined. Convert text to vectors before exporting to lock typography across devices. Test exports on another machine to confirm results match your design. Contact the font vendor or Figma support when licensing or technical issues remain unresolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.